Tell me if you've heard this one before. You're in a rush. You've got a document on your phone and the Kyocera printer's right there, but no clue how to get them talking. Sound familiar? Whether you're in an office in San Diego or in Palm Desert, printing from your phone shouldn't feel like rocket science. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to set up the Kyocera Mobile Print app so you can print, scan, and copy straight from your phone without any drama. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Copy with AIS, and yeah, we work with Kyocera printers every day. But today, I'm just making a quick house call to help you get this app set up and running smoothly. First, grab your phone, go to the App Store or Google Play and search Kyocera Mobile Print. Download it and hit open once it finishes. Now, it might ask you to turn on NFC. That's normal. NFC stands for Near Field Communication. It lets your phone talk to the printer when they're super close. Think of it like tap to pay at Starbucks, but for printing. You might not even use it, but the app wants it on just in case you do. Right after that, you'll see a screen about data collection. You've got a few options. You can read the privacy policy, decline, and the app still works, or just accept and keep going. Totally up to you. It won't stop you from using the app either way. Once you are on the home screen, hit Select Devices at the bottom and let the app find your printer automatically. Or if that doesn't work, tap Manual Entry and type in your printer's IP address. You can usually find its IP address on the printer's touchscreen under Network Settings. Please note, your phone and the printer have to be on the same network. Doesn't matter if the printer's using Wi-Fi or plugged in with a cable. What matters is they're both on the same connection. If your phone's on cellular or guest Wi-Fi, it won't connect. If the app can't find your printer, try these quick fixes. Make sure the printer is on and connected to the network. Double check that your phone is on the same network. Restart your phone and the printer. This fixes issues more than you'd think. Still stuck? There's a chance your model doesn't support mobile print. We've dropped a list of compatible Kyocera models down in the description. Once it's set up, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Printing from your phone just feels right. At AIS, we help businesses from Las Vegas to SoCal figure this stuff out every day. If this video was helpful, click that like button and subscribe for more useful tips like this. Got any questions? Give us a call or visit our website, ais-now.com. And remember, you can worry less with AIS.